Good afternoon guys, I'm going to share with you how to do French macaron, a foolproof French macaron recipe. So here I have the powdered sugar, I have here the almond flour, I have here the egg white, and then another part of the egg white, I have here some water, and also here the white refined sugar. Alright guys, this is the first part for the French macaron. The almond flour, of course you need to sift them, yeah, you need to sift them, pass through the sifter, okay. Okay, pass through the sifter. Okay, next we need to also sieve the powdered sugar, okay. Sieve the powdered sugar and let it pass the sieve. Okay, so now once you sieve the two ingredients, what you need to do next is to add the egg whites, okay. And we're going to combine this egg white with the ingredients here, with the flour and also the powdered sugar. Okay, this is the texture of the mixture once you combine the egg whites, yeah? Look at that, yeah? This is the almond flour and also the powdered sugar. So now I'm going to put the color and also the flavor. I'm going to use a red velvet Emulco, yeah? I want it very red, bright red, so I'm going to put about a tablespoon of red Emulco. So now I'm going to combine. Okay, this is how the mixture look like once I combine the color. Okay, so I'm going to put them aside while I prepare the meringue. The style that I'm going to do for today macaron is the Italian macaron, yeah, Italian style, yeah. So we're going to do the meringue Italian style, all right? Okay, now I'm going to do the meringue. The other part of the egg white, I'm going to put them in the mixer. Okay, and let the mixer run, yeah, slow speed, and at the same time, here on another pot here, clean pot, I'm going to put the sugar. The other part of the egg white, I put them in the mixer and then let it run, yeah, let it beat, and same time the sugar and also the water combine, and we're going to boil the sugar until it reaches about 115 degrees Celsius. Okay guys, we want to do the sugar syrup and boil it until it reaches 115, about 115 to 118, yeah, degrees Celsius, yeah. I'm going to pour the syrup to the side. Okay guys, I've already whipped the meringue until stiff bake. Okay, so see, it's a stiff bake stage. Look at that, yeah, look at this. So you know that this is already done, this is ready. So what we will do now, okay, combine some of the meringue first. Yeah, and now we will continue to combine all of the meringue to the batter. Okay. Okay guys, look at this. I already combined. So how do you know that the mixture is ready? Is when you do this, yeah? Look at that. It should not what do you call that? It should not just fall like a dollop, yeah? It should be flowing like that, yeah? You can make it like a ribbon. Yeah, see? Like this. Okay. So that you know that you have combined this properly, yeah? You have combined this enough. So that's very important, okay? See, like that, yeah? It continuously, yeah? It doesn't break in between, yeah? Okay, all right.